Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this wonderful venue for our prestigious Innovation Awards evening. My name is Julie Kenny, and I'm one of your hosts tonight, and I'm here in my capacity as a Yorkshire Forward board member. And
I'm Richard Gregory, I chair Yorkshire Innovation, and it's very nice to be here with you this evening.
You'll all have heard of the Richard and Judy Show. Well, tonight, it's the Richard and Julie Show.
Careful of the dress, Judy.
Absolutely. It is our sincere hope that we'll have a bit of fun tonight. And as you can see at this awards ceremony, I've made sure that my dress and my attire is suitably safe. So thank you for coming tonight, and we hope that you have an enjoyable evening. And for those of you who have entered the competition for tonight's awards, I wish you much success. This is the third Yorkshire and Humber Innovation Awards, established by Yorkshire Forward to celebrate and reward the remarkable innovation and creativity that thrives in this region, in its businesses and its universities. On behalf of Yorkshire Forward, I wish to thank our partners in this venture, Business Link Yorkshire and Yorkshire Innovation, who have not only joined with Yorkshire Forward to promote the awards, but were also involved with the judging panel. And can I give a personal big thanks to all of those on the judging panel who made my role as chair so much easier. The partnership between the three organisations has encouraged an exceptional response, resulting in 102 award entries across the 4 categories, which are the Young Innovative Business Award, the Innovation in Action Award, the Lord Stafford Partners in Innovation Award and the Sustainable Innovation Award. The awards presentations will take place later this evening following dinner and our guest speaker, Tim Smith. Yorkshire Forward recognised in its regional economic strategy that there are 4 main drivers to achieve and maintain competitive advantage for our region, which are enterprise, investment, skills and, of course, why we're all here tonight, innovation. And tonight I'm proud to say that we have lots of young, innovative companies, and I therefore would like to talk to you about innovation in practice in an older company, mine, giving examples of where we pioneer, follow, or we simply do things differently. All examples of innovation. One normally thinks of innovation as something that is the first in all of the things that you do, but some of our most successful companies have been those that have recognised an idea or solution, improved on it, and hit the market at the right time. My day job is Managing Director of Pyronics Limited, which is a manufacturer of electronic products in Rotherham. We operate primarily within the security sector. We design and manufacture detectors, control panels and the ancillary equipment necessary to build an efficient state-of-the-art intruder alarm system for the 21st century. When I started Pyronics in 1986, I sold my only asset, my home. I raised £28,500 in equity and persuaded a venture capital company to support a start-up company. My business partner at the time, a talented technical innovator, developed a detector and through innovation reduced its size, and we created a product which was at the time the smallest PIR in the world. At the same time, we developed the product using surface mount technology, and we were only the 3rd intruder security company in the world to have designed our products using surface mount technology. And I believe that we manufactured the very first surface-mounted PIR. This simple innovation was well received in a marketplace which was crying out for new and exciting new products, and it paved the way for the growth and development of the company, which is now the flagship of a group of 3 companies turning over £15 million per annum. But as we all know, innovation also relates to processes, and we designed our first product to be manufactured in a state-of-the-art manufacturing process. The fact that we had to subcontract the manufacture of our products until we could afford to purchase the plant and machinery ourselves did not put us off. And in 1988, we bought our plant and made our production more faster, reliable and more efficient. And we stole a march over the competition once again. And over the years, we've had many firsts. We hold several worldwide patents. In 1995, we were the first company to launch a product in Russian, which spoke in Russian. We won a Russian award for this innovation. In 2002, recognising a market need, we were the first security manufacturer outside of China and only the 5th in the world to gain product approval in China. This was not a product or process innovation, but a marketing one, and one which enabled us to expand our export markets. We now export over 60% of our sales. Now, I'm going to tell you about an expensive flop, which cost us about £250,000. In 1998, our design and development guys came up with a super idea. It was called the Cyclone. The Cyclone was a departure from our usual type of product, but we were sure it would provide a valuable niche market, which up to a point was relatively untouched. It was a plug-in alarm, which communicated alarm or panic conditions to a pre-programmed telephone number. We thought that this was ideal for university students or people living in temporary accommodation. What a complete flop. At the time, no one wanted to know. We tried selling it direct to the DIY stores, supermarket chains, and we did sell it, our first production, on a shopping channel, which were then in their infancy. But no one showed sufficient interest for us to continue our investment, and we mothballed the project. But there are also lessons to be learnt from such developments, successful or not. We launched in 2009 an enhanced product with a new innovation. You all know that bell boxes are a common sight fixed to the outside of premises. They differ in size, shape and colour, but basically they all do the same job. They indicate an alarm activation. We have been making bell boxes for years. They sell well. But the Delta Bell is a new shape. It comes in several colours and can be pad printed with the installation company's name and logo. But then we saw the light. We developed a backlit Delta Bell. Within 12 months, we've converted over 500 installation companies to this product, the first commercial backlit product in the country. We now hold over 20% of the registered installer market within a year. This variation of a successful product became a bestseller because the company name and logo are illuminated day and night, 24/7 marketing for the installer. But more importantly, it's a luminous indication to a potential burglar that you have a state-of-the-art burglar alarm system. This innovation has secured growth for Pyronics of 4% in the UK during last year's recession. We have upsold a product in a recessionary marketplace, which means that customers were prepared to pay more for the product, even in difficult times. And we were able to make more profit in a year when we are reliably told that our competitors have reduced turnover of between 10 and 40%. We bucked the trend. Innovation is the answer to a difficult market. Pioneering innovation is fantastic when it's right, but it can take a long time to get the market to understand the product and the benefits of the product, and it can cost a lot of money. One must never view failure as a complete loss. Failures are as important as successes, as lessons are learned. Never give in. And always remember, you can be too early in a market. I once launched a product and it did nothing, and 2 years later we relaunched it and it became our bestseller, and it's still in our top 10 today.